Good morning, students. I am going to start exercise 3.1 of the lesson understanding quadrilaterals. That's first question is given here are some figures. We draw here some figures from your book. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. And here is question. Classify each of them on the basis of the following. Means, first of all, you classify which figures are simple curve. Simple curve, figure 1, figure 2, figure 5, figure 6, figure 7. These are simple curve. And second, simple closed curve, that is also figure 1, figure 2, figure 5, figure 6, figure 7. And next, polygon means the figure which is totally made up of line segments, that is 1 and 2. Third, convex polygon means the polygon which all angles are less than 180 degree. This means figure 2. And concave polygon, the polygon at least which one angle is greater than 180 degree, that is called concave polygon. Figure number 1 is concave polygon. This means question A answer is 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Question B answer is 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. And question number C answer is 1, 2. And question number D answer is 2. And question number E answer is 1. Clear? Then you find out how many diagonals does each of the following have. This means you find out the number of diagonals. The number of diagonals. We have a formula of number of diagonals of polygon is equal to n into n minus 3 upon 2. We use that formula and get the answer of question number 2. Okay? Question number 2. A of convex quadrilateral of convex quadrilateral you find out how many diagonals in this convex quadrilateral. First of all, you write number of sides. Number of sides. N is equal to 4. In the quadrilateral, you have 4-sided figure. This means N is equal to 4. Then number of diagonals. Number of diagonals in a convex quadrilateral then you put the value of n 4 in the bracket 4 minus 3 upon 2, you get 4 into 1 upon 2. 2 to the 4, that is 2. Means number of diagonals in a convex quadrilateral is 2. Then you find the number of diagonals in a regular hexagon. A regular hexagon, you write down part B, a regular hexagon. Regular hexagon. Number of sides, number of sides, n is equal to 6. Hexagon means 6-sided figure. Then number of diagonals in a regular hexagon is equal to n into n minus 3 upon 2, means 6 minus 3 upon 2, that is 6 into 3 upon 2. 2 3s means 9 diagonal. It is answer of B. And C, or triangle. C is a triangle. Triangle. Number of sides, n is equal to 3. Number of diagonals in a triangle is equal to n into n minus 3 upon 2. 3 in the bracket 3 minus 3 upon 2 means 3 into 0 upon 2, that is 0 upon 2, 0. Question number 3rd. What is the sum of the measures of the angles of convex quadrilateral? Will this property hold if the quadrilateral is not convex? Make a non-convex quadrilateral and try. This means you find out the sum of the measures of the angle of a convex quadrilateral and concave quadrilateral. From figure you see, here is convex quadrilateral and this is concave quadrilateral, because its all angles is less than 180 degree and its one angle is greater than 180 degree. Clear? Both are divided into two triangles. Like when you draw the dotted line, you get two triangles in convex quadrilateral. This means one angle sum property of triangle is 180 degree. This means 180 plus 180, 360 degree in a convex quadrilateral. In concave quadrilateral also, you draw a dotted line, you get two triangles. One triangle angle sum property is 180 degree. Then this means 180 plus 180 360 degree. Both type of quadrilaterals have angle sum property of the quadrilateral is 360 degree. Means the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Either convex or concave. Clear? You find out by the formula, you get the sum of the measures of the angles of convex quadrilateral. The sum of the measures of the sum of the measures of the angles of a convex quadrilateral is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. In this figure you have also 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. This means 4 minus 2 into 180 is equal to 2 into 180 degree, that is 360 degree. In concave you have also number of sides is 4. This means when you put the value of n as a 4, you get 360 degree. This means this property hold if the quadrilateral is not convex also. This means you write down the sum of the measures of the angles of convex quadrilateral is 360 degree. The sum of the measure of of a concave quadrilateral is equal to 4 minus 2 into 180, that is 2 into 180 means 360 degrees. Means both types of quadrilaterals have the measure 360 degree. Means this property hold if the quadrilateral is not convex also. Therefore, this property hold if the quadrilateral is not convex. Okay.